So let's have a look at Ibooks Author, the content, the science unit that we actually created in our last tutorial. So you can see here that the energy investigation solar cooker is down the bottom. So one of the best things you can do when you produce iBook Author content is you can place your books on your learning management system, Blackboard, Moodle, whatever you've got, and the kids can just download basically straight from there, which is fantastic. So what we've got here is our chapter 1. This was our page where we just told our students exactly what we're assessing, what we're looking at, straight from the national curriculum. If I click over, this is where our theory is, and we can do a couple of things now that it is an iBook. First thing we can do is we can touch and highlight words. For example, like light, we can actually record notes within the text. We can also, if we touch, we can also do a range of different things within iBooks. So we can define, we can look up vocab terms and so on. So by putting content in an iBook form, we can definitely see the benefits of it. We've got our little image there on the side, and if we go to our next page, remember that we put in an academic vocab formative assessment piece, a little quiz here. The 3D shape of the reflector is called A, and what the students can do is they can have a go, see if they've actually learnt that content, check for understanding, and when they check their answer it says try again, they got that wrong. Okay, we'll try A. Yep, that's correct. That's what that term means. So we can insert these formative assessment tools throughout the whole textbook, which is a really powerful thing to have. Let's look at the next page. Got the planning process, so that's where they're planning. They could jump into another app, for example, Simple Mind. We've got the task built there, and we've got our 3D shape here that the students can interact, double tap, make bigger, really have a look at all the different sides, really engaging interactive stuff that we can put in the iBook. Here we've got our future energy, we've got those links to iTunes U and some further resources for going further. And if you can remember back, we also put down for the students, for the teacher, their class list. And what we can do there is we can walk around and assess as we go. We can write anecdotal notes, observations, and you can see here that I've started taking notes on my science students. Obviously the class observations here wouldn't be on the student iBook, but for you as the teacher using an iPad, it comes with a lot of this fantastic note-taking and getting to know your kids. Not only that, we've got inbuilt video, we can video experiments, observations of students and how they're carrying out experiments. Has a lot of things going for it. So you can see there that iBooks Author is a fantastic way of creating content, but also from a student's perspective, we can see the benefits of a student having this information 24/7 at home, at school, and access to some of the most amazing resources that the teachers create. So if you haven't seen this the tute on how to create this content in iBooks Author, go back to that tutorial and have a look, and then follow up with some of this iBook content. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.